So I got home after like a really long day. It was not that great of a day, you know, but I get home and this came in. I've been waiting for this thing since I saw the Apple event, and it's finally here. It's finally mine, and I finally get to open it, and I can't wait to show you guys. So I need a knife. I'm gonna grab. It's so pretty. I love it. Should I do an ASMR video on just cardboard? I'm legit tearing up right now. Like this is real. Oh my god. Look. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I need to open it. Packaging just never ceases to amaze me. It's so light that like you can't do the normal thing like you can do with Apple products where like, you know, you just kind of let it slide out. Oh my god. I don't feel like I deserve it. It's just, look at that. Oh my god. What else have we got in the box? Okay, so let me just set you down very gently. Of course we have designed by Apple, California. Of course, you gotta have the stickers. You can't not have Apple stickers, you know? I can never have enough Apple stickers. I will buy Apple products just for the stickers. And, oh, that's nice. Oh god, look how big this thing is. USB-C. Apple has finally decided to move up into USB-C world. The little cable, let me just get you out of here. That's nice. I'm just gonna power you up. Hello. This is why I love having a cat, because she always likes the new boxes I get in. Hi. Oh, wow. Quality off the iPad camera is actually really good. So I'm gonna finish setting this baby up, and then I'll get back to you guys soon. See you soon. So I've had this thing for about a week now. There's just so many things that I've been using this iPad for that I never thought that I was actually going to get into. I just want to tell you guys about some of the couple things that I've been using it for and my general thoughts about what I think of this thing that I spent $1,500 on. First thing I want to point out is that the new accessories on this thing are phenomenal. We have this keyboard that now connects magnetically. I love the magnetic connection. I love how I can just move it where I want it to go, and it's secure, and it's great, and everything is just so seamless now, and I really enjoy that. Let's get into a couple of things that I actually use this iPad for, and a couple of things that I've downloaded since I bought the iPad. One of the things that I've been using this iPad a lot for is answering emails. And I'm not a person that likes to answer emails, so the fact that this iPad has actually allowed me to want to answer emails is impressive. Good job, Apple. Good on you. I don't know what it is, but it's something about the keyboard and how easy it is to use, and also just the fact that the screen is so massive that just makes it really, really enjoyable. Another app that I've been using actually quite a lot is this app called LumaFusion. LumaFusion is basically just Final Cut Pro for the iPad Pro. And now, if you're someone like me who actually wanted to use the iPad as your computer, it's by far the best app that you can have for your iPad. I love how easy it is to scroll through the footage. I love how easy it is to separate the audio. I love how easy that it's become for me to basically do all the video editing that I used to be doing before on my computer, but now it's just been oversimplified. And there's just something really natural and fluid about using your finger and a pencil on a touch screen rather than using an actual computer. I know not all people are like that, but that's just how I am. Another app that I've actually been using quite a lot is Procreate. I used to do a whole lot of drawing back in like middle school and high school, and since then I've kind of just fallen off with being in the Marine Corps and also just, you know, living life. I've kind of not used drawing that much anymore as a source of entertainment. But the iPad has changed that for me. I don't even need any sort of drawing utensils or anything of that sort. I can literally just get the Apple Pencil and an iPad, and now I have every single tool that I could possibly need to create art. It's the only piece that I've made so far. It's far from finished, but I'm just trying to create like a monochromatic kind of looking thing where I have some water with the ripples and the clouds in the back, and one of the things I'm going to add in Sketch is a boat right here. You might have heard that I'm actually using this iPad as my computer, and before you ask, yes, it is possible to use it as your computer. So many people are talking about, oh, but you need so many dongles, or, well, what about all those cords? An iPad could never replace the computer. Well, it gets it pretty close. That's all thanks to this accessory called the Hyperdrive. The Hyperdrive is this amazing little device that you hook up to your iPad's USB-C port. From there, you have access to all of these ports. You have 2 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port, an SD card reader, and a headphone jack. Yes, 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 you can bring back the headphone jack on the iPad. Basically what this little guy does is that it turns the iPad into a computer, really. I don't know how else to say. That's basically all that I have for you guys this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see some more from me. That was just a video that I wanted to make about, the iPad, but I'll be releasing a video a little bit more about me so you can learn more about my interests and what I'm exactly planning on doing on this website. So I hope to see you guys soon. See you next time.